Good morning, my super cool class, and happy Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, May 26, 2020. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. All right, let's kick off our week with our cool new message. Oh, speaking of the word cool, have you ever thought of about the word cool and started being used in more than one way? So read our morning message today to find out how cool can be used in various ways. Also, today you're going to notice that our slides may look a little bit different. You're going to look at our morning emoji and notice there's two people in it. That's because myself and Mrs. Traverson are going to be working together in the next couple weeks with our slides. So you have to be really careful today. You're going to notice that Mrs. Traverson's class is going to be checking in on the top, and we are down here. We're going to be watching this video and checking in. Please make sure you're checking in each day. All right, let's jump in and look at our week. All right, we have our weekly agenda, our plan for the week. So take a look at this. We have our Spirit Week. This week we're going to be working with the ABCs, starting with E. So yesterday was edible experiments with an adult, so maybe some of you can do this today after you're done with your work. But today is Friendship Day. Call up a friend on the phone or a video chat. Spend some time talking to your friends. Even though we have to be away from each other, doesn't mean we don't have to talk to each other. We are going to be skipping the color war slide because I want you guys to check it out to see who our winner is. So we're going to skip that for right now. All right, so this slide is a new slide today. So you're going to see that it says celebrate. So we're going to be celebrating 4 students from Mrs. Traverson's class and my class combined. So today we're going to be celebrating these 4 students. Congratulations! Woo! So the way it's going to go is you are going to click here. I'm going to do that right now for you. So when you click here, you're going to notice that these slides that say students of the day are going to pop up. You're going to see myself and Mrs. Traverson in Disney World with our Mickey and Minnie, well, just our Minnie ears. And then you're going to notice some sentence starters here. What you're going to do is you're going to leave a comment for each of our students we are celebrating. So you'll notice this is William's slide from Mrs. Traverson's class. Then we have Janan's slide, we have Andrew's slide, and we have Alicia's slide. And those are our 4 students. What you're going to do is, I'm going to have to go out of this, is you're going to double click one of the empty speech bubbles and write your comment in here. So my example is with Alicia, my sentence starters is I will always remember the random question Thursday and how you had the best questions for me to answer to get to know me better. So your job is to write your comment for each of your classmates. The rule is you're going to only do our classmates. At the end of the day, if you want to jump back in and see if a speech bubble is open for someone in Mrs. Traverson's class, you can do that later. But let Mrs. Traverson's students have the opportunity to leave their nice comments for their student celebratory person. Yeah, that sounds good. And you are going to do our class. So make sure you leave a nice comment for your person. All right. So we are going to have our last 3 chapters of Who Was Sacagawea this week. And you're going to make sure you do a Flipgrid after you complete reading this book. You must, remember that word, must do a read aloud. It's not a may do, it is a must do. Reading this week, we are going to be doing the goal, explore multiple fairy tales and identify story elements of fairy tales. You're going to be exploring the Epic collection using our Epic code. After you're done exploring at least 2, 3, 4 fairy tales, I would say around 3 or 4 fairy tales, you are going to complete the graphic organizer. This is a picture of the graphic organizer. You may either print it from going to the link below, my slides, or there is a digital copy on Google Classroom. After you are done, you are going to be answering the following question on Google Classroom. What is your favorite fairy tale and why? This should be multiple sentences and not one word. Make sure you use proper punctuation and capitalization. In math today, we are going to be doing an open response. You are going to either click this link to open the open response, print it out, email me a photo of your completed work, or you can go on Flipgrid and show your work and talk it through. Don't forget to use your math tools like a number line or fraction circles or a fraction bar. And last but not least, we will be doing social studies for the next 2 weeks. We're going to be researching different countries. So today you're going to take a survey about what country you are interested in researching for the next 2 weeks. And as always, we have our early finishers page. We have a new virtual field trip to the Cape May Zoo and a new mystery science article that you can try at home. So that's all I have for you. I will see you at Zoom at 11 o'clock. Remember to work hard, be kind, and shine bright. See you later, boys and girls.